Blue Apron discount code. So hello guys, today I will show you a lot of Blue Apron discount codes from Los Angeles time. This is the site, as you can see, and as you can see here there are a lot of discount codes ready to use. So let's say that I wanna choose this one, student discount. Let's click on it, and as you can see here it appears a tab, which means that here you don't need to put or copy a code. And right now if I go here and visit Blue Apron, I have the code already in the link. Let's back another site. Wait a second. Another site can be this one, Groupon. Groupon have almost the same discount codes. It's a good site also, but you need to scroll down and choose what discount code you want. Here there are allowed here, and another one can be coupon follow, which is the best for my perspective because it's the legit one. As you can see, there are a lot of codes here. You can go and use whatever code you want, and that's it guys. Hope that this video will help you, and see you in the next videos.